Welcome back to grade 7 in week 5. In this week we are going to discuss how to create table using HTML. So in this week we are going to learn how to create a table and how to add borders and how to change the width in a very simple way. You need to know that to create a table in HTML, or first of all, you need to know that table is used to display and organize data, and the opening tag and the tags that which is used to create a table is table and slash table to close this tag as shown on the screen. A table is divided, into rows and columns. I will show you this figure here. To create a table, you should use table, opening tag table, and to close it at the end with slash. To create the row, you need to start it with the tag tr, with the opening tag tr, which is short for table row, and you need to close it at the end. Like if you remember, when we add a list, we use opening tag for the list and close the tag, and each item should has a tag li. Here, for each row, we should have here an opening tag tr and close it like shown here, and tr short for table row. Here we have 3 rows, so we should have 3 opening tag for tr. For each row, we have 1 opening tag for each row. For example, here, if you want to add columns, you should add th, table header, okay? So, every table header should start with th and end with th. It means that you create the first column. Here, if you add one more th opening tag, th table header, and close it, it means that you have the second row. If you add one more, you should add, for example, the age, age slash th to close it, so you will have the third column. Here we have 3 rows and 2 columns. By default, or we will not talk about this one, later we will talk about it. Let's talk about table data. Each cell, when you want to insert data in each cell, you should add td, opening tag td and closing tag td. td, table data. So each data in every cell should start with the opening tag td and close it. And the same here in the other cells. Let's do it together. I prepared this one before, so we will start it with table, opening tag, the tag to create a table, the opening tag, and I will close it directly. As you know, I prefer to do that directly. Now in the table, I need to create how many rows? I need 3. Okay, so I will add the opening tag tr, table row, close it. Okay, then what I want, just 1 second guys. Okay, now I will create the first one. I need to add the first name in the first column and the last name in the second column. So I will add here, I will open the tag th for the header. You know that this is the heading for the first column and this is the heading for the second column, and here to fill data. So I will add th at the first name, then I will close. So I have here how many row? One row, okay? And how many columns I have? One column that has the first name as header. And then I will close. I will not add the second column, only one, okay? Then I will close the table. Okay. File, save, table.html, save. Yes. Now I will put it here. Okay. Save. Now I will close this. And 7. There is something wrong. Let's check. This one. And then close the body off. Save. Now I created the first column with the header first name. I will edit the notepad. Then I will, before I close the row, after this heading, I will add another one. Last name, and then we need to close it. Okay, file. Let me show you first step. So I have here this. I created this table. This is the opening tag. This is the closing tag. tr table row, and I closed it here. Here I have two columns. The first one has the first name, and the second one has this last name. Let's go to file, save, close. Now I have two columns. Now I will start adding data. Okay, open with the notepad. Now here, to add one more row, we use the opening tag tr. Instead of using th, because th is for the heading, we use table data. Okay, now I will start adding data. This is my first name. Then we need to close it. Right? And the last name, I will do the same. Opening tag, use the opening tag TD, and my family name. Okay. Close the table data. Close the tag. Then close the table row. Right? File. Save. Okay. This is how to add table. Now, for example, here I want to add borders. I will give you the attribute, which is very easy, but it's not used now, but we will use it because it's very simple. So we will add the attribute here, border equal. I will choose number 1. Let's see what will happen. Right. Save. Let's open our website. Okay. It's necessary to have rows and columns. Sorry, the vertical and horizontal lines. It will make the table more organized. And then you can add, if you want to add more rows, just add tr and don't forget to close it. And if you want to add more information, you need to use td and add the other name and close the tag td. Now let's see what will happen. Save. Refresh. Okay guys, I hope you understand this lesson. Just you need to practice because you need to use many opening and close tags at the same time. This is, don't forget, this is for table. This is for inserting row. This is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag for the table, for the row, sorry. This one to add table header, to add the headings here, and td to add information in your table data. To add more, so I will add the last name, table data, and the last name, close the table data. Okay, then you need to close the table row. File, save. Let's check our table, refresh. And your assignment for this week, I need you to create the following table on your web page for the student's name and their grades. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. Bye.